Friday Friendly Kitchen. Today in our recipe we are going to make Vendakai masala. So it is Vendakai means okra or lady's finger, and we are going to make a masala out of it. So without further delay, let's get into the method how to make them. So we start off by turning off the stove to a medium high, and we add the oil. And just for your information, and all my ingredients are listed on my beginning, or you can find it in my description box. The oil, then we'll go with the mustard seed. And until then, we will wait for the mustard seed to crack. So to avoid splashing out everywhere, so we cover it with the cover and let it crack. And once it's cracked, and we will add the next ingredient. As our mustard seed has cracked, and so now we can add the cumin seeds. And as the cumin seed starts to sparkle, so now we can add the chopped garlic and saute them for a minute. And as the garlic has started to change its color, a little bit of fried, so we can add the onions right now. And with that, we can add a little bit of salt for the onions to become translucent, and then saute it. And as we break down the onion, and now we can add the curry leaves and saute it. We will wait for the onions to become a little translucent, then after that we will add the next ingredient. And the onions is a little translucent, and now we can add the tomato. I have 2 tomatoes. I've cut them into small pieces, and we will mix it up, and we will let the tomato cook until it becomes mushy. To help the tomatoes to cook faster, I'm adding about 1/4 cup of water, 1/2 cup to 1/4 cup of water, and mix it up together. And by this will help the tomatoes to be cooked faster and become mushy. And so we will close this, and this is another trick that for the tomatoes to cook faster. Our tomatoes are still cooking, so we have to mash it a little bit and let it cook. And we will let it cook for another few more minutes until everything it becomes mushy. Then we will add the next ingredient. Our tomatoes are cooked, so it's time that we reduce the flame and we add the spice powders. So coriander powder, cumin powder, chili powder, turmeric powder, and garam masala powder. And now we will just mix up all together. And so it's quite thick, we should add some water. I have taken about 1/2 cup of water, and I'm going to add a little, approximately about 1/3 of the cup, and let it come to a boil until the oil gets separated, or the masalas to cook. So we will wait until the masala cooks. Dear viewers, as the masala is coming to a boil, and I have some chopped cilantro stems, and we will add that as well. And we will give a mix, a good mix, and then we will let it boil until the oils get separated, or the masala gets cooked. Our masalas are pretty much cooked, and so now we can add the okra. And I'm using a frozen okra, so this will be perfect. Okra goes in, and we will mix it up right away, and we will let it cook until the okra becomes well cooked. And at this point, if you want it to be a little liquidy, you can, but okra usually releases a kind of like slimy texture, so we will leave it as it is. So we will let the okra come to a boil, and let it cook. And dear viewers, our masala is almost done, and in a couple of minutes we will leave it open right now. In a couple of minutes we will remove it, and we are almost done. Then I need some salt, and I've added that, and then we'll give it a mix as well. Also we will add some cilantro or coriander leaves and give it a quick mix. And also to balance the flavors, we will add a little bit of sugar. And that's it, viewers. Now this can be removed and it's cooked, and it goes well with chapatis or rice. So I'm going to dish it out. And dear viewers, our Vendakai masala is ready. So this is how you make the Vendakai masala. It is also my signature dish, and my late mother used to do it at time. So we enjoy them, and so you can eat them with rice, with sambar, or just with chapatis. And if you would like to have the link for chapatis, please check the description box below, and I will leave a link for chapatis and also for the end page where you can get connected to watch the video how to make chapatis. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much, and if you have any comments, please do leave me behind, and I will try to message you back as quick as possible. And for those who have joined first time or new, welcome aboard. And for those who have been with me, thank you very much. And so I end my video here. I do not know what am I going to cook the next, but I will cook something, and I wish that you will join me also. If there is any tips or tricks that you need to have it written, please ask me a question and I will answer that question. Thank you very much, and see you in my video. Till then, bye bye.